धन्यवाद. So yesterday we were learn the र वाले संयुक्त अक्षर. Rashika, please mute yourself. Rashika. Rajeshwari ma'am, mute and lock everyone. So yesterday we were reading the र संयुक्त अक्षर words. So we will continue that. New. So yesterday we have learned that r, we are not writing r in the words, but we are pronouncing r. Either there is a slanting line down or there is a one half curve up. Yes, so we have learned some words. Let's see the other words, and these all words they have given in your lesson number 9. The English meanings for your reference. Let's read the next word. We always use this varna. Varna means letter. What we have learned, स्वर, व्यंजन, ये इसमें जो भी अक्षर आते हैं उस अक्षर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लेटर. उसको हम बोलते हैं वर्ण. वर्ण. न के ऊपर र का मात्रा देना है. We have to add r sound in pronunciation, but we are not writing r letter. We are adding one sign, either slanting line down or one curve up. Yes, we have seen all the slanting line down words. Now we are learning these curve words. Varna. Varna means letter. Next, गर्त. गर्त. ग. उसके बाद त लिखना है और र का एक साइन जो हाफ कर्व है वो आपको त के ऊपर देना है. गर्त. गर्त मीन्स पिट. खड्डा बोलते हैं हम लोग. लास्ट ईयर वी हैव लर्न दिस वर्ड खड्डा. रो ऑन द सी इन बिटवीन देयर इज अ खड्डा. गर्त भी एक अलग अक्षर है, शब्द है गर्त. गर्त मीन्स पिट. सो वर्ण गर्त. नेक्स्ट, पर्दा. प द को आ की मात्रा एंड र. पर्दा. पर्दा मीन्स कर्टन. But for curtain, we are writing like this also. Parda. Sometimes they pronounce parda. We can write like this. Parda. We can write like this for curtain. पर्दा. प लिखना है, द लिख के आ की मात्रा देके then we have to give curve. पर्दा. Next one is निर्धन. निर्धन मीन्स पुअर. जिनके पास धन नहीं होता है वो होता है निर्धन. धन मीन्स मनी. धन. धन मीन्स मनी. And who don't have money, we call them poor people. Nirdhana. 1 minute. निर्धन. जिनके पास धन नहीं है we call them poor. निर्धन means poor. निर्धन. I'm not writing r letter, only I'm giving sign, but whenever you are pronouncing you can pronounce r. Nirdhan means poor. Next, य. साथ य निकाल के उसको र का next. Yes.
No, ma'am, continue.
Yeah. Next, inscribe. Inscribed को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं निर्वेद. निर्वेद. But here व को एक ही मात्रा है. So नी, then I'm giving एक ही मात्रा. But I have to give r sound in v. Nirved, raved, rav. So r and v come together. So I want to give r matra in v. So after giving एक ही मात्रा, I'm giving one more, that is r sign and the, because r is mixing in v. Nirved. Nirved. Inscribed. नेक्स्ट, हम किसी को सजेशन देते हैं, एडवाइस देते हैं, उसके लिए हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में परामर्श. प र को मात्रा रा मर्श. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग अगेन द, आई एम गिविंग र साइन, वन कर्व अप. परामर्श, एडवाइस. परामर्श, एडवाइस. एंड last, शीर्ष. Shirsha means head. Shirsha, if you add ka, that is a title, heading or title you can say. So sh को बड़ी ई की मात्रा शीर्ष means head, heading, and if you can add ka, that is title. Shirshak, Shirsha or Shirshak you can say. So I will read one more time all these words and then we will go ahead. Varna, letter, Varna. Second, Gart. The second letter is Gart. First is Varna. The second is Gart. The third is Parda. Parda. R sound is mixing in R, the. The fourth letter is Nirdhan. R is mixing in the. Between letter. The. Nirdhan means for. Arya. That is the one name. Arya. R is mixing in ya. Nirved. Nirved. R is mixing in va. Nirved. Next, Paramarsh. Paramarsh means advice. Paramarsh. And last, Shirsha or Shirshak means title. Shirsh or Shirshak means title. So these all are R wale Sanyukta Akshar. These all are R wale Sanyukta Akshar. So we have seen that Sanyukta Akshar, two vyanjans come together and we have to pronounce the two vyanjans. First one is half pronunciation and second one is full. After that we saw the R wale Sanyukta Akshar. Now the important thing in that lesson, that is Anuswar and Anunasik, that we are going to see now. Anuswar and Anunasik. So I want answers only in chat box. First we will see about Anuswar. What is Anuswar? Do you know? What is Anuswar? We say one more word for Anuswar. We have learned that. No. Anyone? अनुस्वार के लिए हम लोगों ने और एक शब्द किया था. What is that शब्द? For अनुस्वार. Okay, I will give that matra so you can understand. For one dot, what we say for that one dot up on the words, on the letters, one dot up, what we say? हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? की मात्रा, that is different, but for that dot, what we say? What we say for that dot? When the dot is on the particular vyanjan letter or any kind of letter it comes, उस dot को हम कुछ बोलते हैं हिंदी में. We say something in Hindi. Yes, Shrikha, Bindu. We say Bindu. Very good. For that dot, we say Bindu. But there is one more word, that is Anuswar. So I'm not using Bindu now, I'm using the word Anuswar. One dot up, we say Anuswar. Okay? Now, there are many words that anuswar will come. But with that anuswar, sometimes different sound. For example, I am writing here Ganga. Ganga. I am saying the anuswar sound now. Ng. Now I am writing the second letter. Chanchal. Chang. Chanchal. Chan. No sound I am saying. Nya sound. Chanchal. Chanchal. I'm not saying changal. I'm not saying ga sound here. Chanchal. So, the anuswar is same, but the sound is little bit of different. Yes, the sound is little bit different. We will give you one more example. I am writing now. ठंडा. ठ के ऊपर अम की मात्रा है, that is अनुस्वार है, बिंदु है. But I am saying ठंडा. न. I am saying the sound न letter. ठंडा. Now one more example. Mumbai. I'm saying ma sound here whenever I'm pronouncing that anuswar. Mumbai, ma sound. Yes. So why the anuswar same for all the letters, but I'm taking the different sounds, that we are going to see the very simple rule. So whenever you are pronouncing, you can understand what sound you have to pronounce for that anuswar. Now we have seen all the Varga invention.
Suprita ma'am,
Yes, my voice is breaking.
ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. It's clear now? Yes, Sadhna ma'am, it's clear?
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, fine. So, we have seen all the Vargas invention. So, how many Varga invention? Can you write in chat box how many Vargas we have seen invention? Total, how many Varga we have seen invention? Varga. I'm saying about Varga. Varga. No, the answer is wrong. Yes, Yajit. 5 वर्ग. Yes. 5 वर्ग हम लोगों ने सीखे हैं. 5 वर्ग, that is क, ch, t, t, p. What varga we have learned? K, ch, k, ch, t, and p. These 5 varga we have learned. Now I'm writing all the 5 vargas letter. In K varga we have seen K, K, G, K, and the last one Ng. Yes. Then again Ch varga, Ch, Ch, J, and the last one is Nya. Again in T varga we have learned T, Th, D, Dh, and the last letter is Na. Again in Ta varga we have learned Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, and the last letter Na. And in Ta varga Pa, 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 and last letter is Ma. I am highlighting all last letter with red pen. We call the last letter the Pancham Sthan. Pancham means fifth. That is the fifth letter of each varga. So you have to remember these 5 letter sounds whenever you are pronouncing Anuswar Shabd. G, ung. Ch, nya. Ta, na. Ta, na. Pa, ma. So why I am highlighting these all five in red? Because we have to take that sound when we are using Anuswar Shabd. Now, for example, first word I'm writing ka, ga, na. Kangan, kangan. So whenever the Anuswar is which letter, you have to see the next letter. You have to observe the next letter. Anuswar is on ka letter, yes? And now you have to observe this next letter. The next letter is ga, and the ga is from ka varga. So we have to give the sound Pancham Sthan letter of ka varga. That is anga. So I'm pronouncing kangan, anga. The sound I'm giving for this is anga because the next letter is ga, the second letter is ga in this word, and the ga come into ka varga. And ka varga pancham sthan, fifth place is anga, so I'm giving that sound. I will give one more example so you will be clear with this. The next example is pin, ja, ra. The अनुस्वार is in first letter, that is pin. Pin. प के ऊपर अनुस्वार है. But we have to observe the second letter. The second letter is ja. What is the second letter? Ja. And ja is in the cha varga. So which sound we have to give? The pancham sthan of cha varga is nya. So we have to give nya sound whenever we are pronouncing this anuswar. Pinjra, nya, pin. I'm saying nya sound because the next second letter is ja and that come in cha varga. So cha varga pancham sthan letter you have to pronounce whenever you are pronouncing this word pinjra. Yes? So next, the one more example. We'll take one more example now. That is thanda. Thanda. So thanda. Da is here in ta varga. Oh shit. 1 minute. Da, tha, da, tha. Okay. So the letter is in ta varga. So we have to add na. Pancham sthan kaun sa akshar hai? Na. We have to add that sound. Na. Thanda. Na. I'm saying that from nose. Thanda. Because this letter we are taking the sound from nose. Yes? Thanda. So I'm giving a na sound to this anuswar letter. Why? Because the second letter of this word is in ta varga. So ta varga pancham sthan letter is na. Let's take some another example. Another example is in ta varga and the thing is, please don't touch the screen. I can't share now. Please don't touch the screen. See, this way you all are disturbing the class. There are many, they are okay. It's everything is clear now, but we will see the last example, then I will go for the PPT. So we are seeing andar, andar, and the second letter the is in ta varga. Yes, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, and the last letter is na. So the Pancham Sthan letter is na. So for this word, I am giving na sound for the anuswar. Andar, n, na, andar, andar. Why I am giving na sound? Because the second letter is in ta varga, and ta varga Pancham Sthan is na. The same thing. Now we will take one more example. Mumbai. So now I am writing ta varga. Mumbai. So the anuswar is in first letter mum, but the second letter we have to observe that is ba, and that come in pa varga. So pancham sthan is ma, and you have to give the sound of ma. Mumbai. Mumbai. I'm giving ma sound while pronouncing this word. Understand everyone how we are pronouncing these anuswars? Understand? If you're clear, then say yes. Then we will go in the PPT and we will see the words. Yes? Very good. Very good. So I am going to share the PPT. We'll read some words. And please, dear, please don't touch the screen. Okay? Let's see the अनुस्वार. अनुस्वार का प्रयोग पंचम वर्ण, that is अंग, न्य, न, न, म, ये पंचमाक्षर कहलाते हैं बिकॉज ये फिफ्थ प्लेस पे आते हैं. ईच वर्ग फिफ्थ प्लेस पे ये अक्षर आते हैं. पंचमाक्षर जो पांचवें स्थान पर आते हैं, इसलिए हम इसको पंचमाक्षर कहते हैं. साधना मैम, मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना?
यस मैम, दिख रहा है मैम.
Yes. और अनुस्वार का जो भी आपको प्रयोग करना है, ओनली फ्रॉम योर नोज. द साउंड कम फ्रॉम योर नोज. ये पंचमाक्षर का साउंड हमें नोज से ही आता है, और वो लेके ही हमें अनुस्वार का प्रोनाउंसिएशन करना है. सो लेट्स सी सम वर्ड्स ऑफ अनुस्वार. गंगा, unga, unga. I'm giving unga. Ganga is a name of river. Ganga. Bengal. बंगाल के ऊपर अंग का साउंड है, that is अनुस्वार. Sound come from your nose. Give little bit of pressure that letter and pronounce Bengal. Next, chanchal. Chanchal. Chanchal means playful. Chanchal. So you have to observe what? The second letter and then the pancham sthan of second letter. Next, pinjra. Pinjra means cage. Pinjra means cage. Next, thanda. Thanda means cool. Thanda means cool. Anta. Anta means end. Anta means end. Andar, inside. Andar means inside. Andhakar. Andhakar. Ta, ta, da, dha, na. Yes, in the ta varga, the second letter. So we are taken pancham sthan of ta varga, that is na sound. Andhakar, darkness. Ganga, Bengal, Chanchal, Pinjara, Thanda, Anta, Andar, Andhakar. They have given a more example of Anuswar. Champa is a name. a lady named Champa. Mumbai, Mumbai, more sound. Mumbai. Khamba. Khamba means pole. Bha is in Pavarga, so we are adding more sound. Khamba means pole. संयुक्त संयुक्त यहाँ का ही साउंड यूज किया जाता है, दैट इज इन यर लवर देयर इज नो एनी वर्ग, सो वी आर यूजिंग द साउंड्स यर यर. संयुक्त मीन्स जॉइंट, वी हैव लर्न संयुक्त अक्षर. यस. संरक्षण 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 मीन्स प्रोटेक्शन. संरक्षण संयुक्त जॉइंट संरक्षण protection. Sanlagna sanlagna. So the next second letter sound only you have to take if there is no any varga. Sanlagna means attached. Samvad samvad means conversation. You have to press that letter where anuswar is there. Samvad conversation. Vansh dynasty. Vansh dynasty. Vansh. And last one for lion, we say sher also, but here the anuswar shabda siha. The actual pronunciation is siha, but in some states they are pronouncing. They say sing. In some states they have changed this, but the actual pronunciation is siha. And Vansh means dynasty. Vansh means the series of rulers, you know, who are from the same family. The king's son, he will be the next king. So we say dynasty Vansh. So Champa, Mumbai, Khamba, Sanyukta, Saurakshan, Sanlagna, Samvad, Vansh and Siha. These are अनुस्वार शब्द. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? अनुस्वार. जब एक डॉट ऊपर आता है उसको अनुस्वार और बिंदु कहते हैं, और उसका आवाज आपके नाक से आता है. एंड दैट साउंड इज कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन पंचम स्थान ऑफ द वर्ग. एवरीवन, फॉर अनुस्वार क्लियर? यस. Yes, Sadhna ma'am. Just check the chat box.
Only one reply, ma'am. One reply, ma'am.
Yeah, I want reply in
Clear,
chat
ma'am.
box.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay. So anuswar is one dot. Anuswar is one dot like this. Now we are going to see like Chandra, moon sign, and in that one dot. This is a line of skipping line of the letter. So moon sign and one dot. Moon को हम बोलते हैं चंद्र, and जो dot है उसको बोलते हैं बिंदु. So for this sign we call Chandra Bindu. For this Bindu, and the second this sign we call Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu को दूसरा शब्द है अनुनासिक. अनुनासिक. नासिक means नाक से आने वाला आवाज. So whenever the sounds with the Chandra Bindu, we have to take the sound from nose as well as mouth. जब किसी स्वर का उच्चारण नासिका और मुख दोनों से किया जाता है तब उसके ऊपर चंद्र बिंदु लगाया जाता है, और उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? अनुनासिक. जहाँ पे चंद्र बिंदु का साइन हो, where we can see the चंद्र बिंदु sign, we say अनुनासिक. So there are some Chandra Bindu signs example. But before going to example, I want to tell you one simple rule of Anunasik. See children, whenever we are writing any letter in Hindi, we are giving skipping line. So matra signs we have learned. Whatever matra sign coming up above the slipping line, there we are not giving Chandra Bindu. I repeat, the matra sign come up above the slipping line of the letter. That letter we are not giving Chandra Bindu. For example, I am writing na he. Yes, the slipping line. And the slipping line up, I have given बड़ी ई की मात्रा. So बड़ी ई की मात्रा कहाँ आ रही है? Above the line. Yes, above the line. So I have not given Chandra Bindu. I have given only dot. But this word they will keep in Anunasik word column only. Why we are not giving Chandra Bindu? That is there is no place of convenience to write Chandra Bindu, and which matra is coming above the line, we are not giving Chandra Bindu. शिरो रेखा, वो जो लाइन रहती है, दिस लाइन, इस लाइन को हम बोलते हैं शिरो रेखा. इसके ऊपर जो भी मात्रा आती है तभी हम सिर्फ डॉट देते हैं. वी आर नॉट गिविंग चंद्र बिंदु. We will give one more example for this, so you will be clear. So, I'm writing here, ya, ha, and I want to give Chandra Bindu now. I'm giving Chandra Bindu above ha because there is no any matra sign above the letter. Shiro rekha के ऊपर नहीं आई है. आ की matra is here below the line. That's not above the line. So I have given here Chandra Bindu. But if I want to write here ki ta be, and I am giving here only dot. I can't give there Chandra Bindu. There is a no space, and एक ही मात्रा is there above the line, slipping line. So we are not giving Chandra Bindu. So in which letter matra is coming above the slipping line, we are not give Chandra Bindu. A की मात्रा is below the slipping line. Then छोटी ई की मात्रा is coming above the slipping line. बड़ी ई की मात्रा also above the slipping line. छोटी ऊ की मात्रा below slipping line. बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा below slipping line. री की मात्रा below slipping line. But ए की मात्रा above slipping line. आई की मात्रा above slipping line. ओ की मात्रा and औ की मात्रा also above slipping line. And is anuswar, what we have already learned. Aha is always visarga. That's letter are completely different. So we will give the Chandra Bindu on this four matra signs words. A ki matra, U ki matra, U ki matra, Ri ki matra. And if there is no any matra, that is also we will give. Like, oh, there is no any matra sign. Yes. So where we are giving Chandra Bindu, only the matra signs come below the slipping line. Above slipping line matra signs we are not giving. Clear? Everyone is clear with this rule? Once you understand this rule, then easy for you to read and write. Yes? Yes, Sadhna ma'am, just check the chat box. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So let's read the Anunasik. This sound will come from nose and mouth. The first ha. Ha means yes.
Tell Purvika Navrita to again I'm muting and again I'm muting and they are unmuting ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Purvika and Navrita, dear, please mute your video also. Please, dear. वहाँ, कहाँ, where, कहाँ. लड़कियां, girls. For one girl we say ladki. Many girls ladkiyan. Ki Chandrabindu comes on here. Girls. Dhua means smoke. Dhua means smoke. Roya means to cry. Roya, cry. हाँ, यहाँ, वहाँ, कहाँ, लड़कियाँ, धुआं, रोया. So this rule we have already learned now that अनुनासिक के स्थान पर बिंदु का प्रयोग जब शिरोरेखा के ऊपर स्वर की मात्रा लगी हो तब सुविधा के लिए चंद्र बिंदु के स्थान पर बिंदु का प्रयोग करते हैं. When the matra comes on the slipping line, for convenience we are not giving chandra bindu there, we are giving bindu anuswar, but these words come into the anunasik column. So we will read the first word, that is nahi. Nahi means no. The matra sign is up on the shirorekha. Yes, gai, went. And normally in plural words also this will the same rule. Plural words with the matra sign is up above the slipping line. So this will come. Kitabe, books. Bahane, sister. Dono, both. Parso, day after tomorrow or day before yesterday. Parso, मैं परसों गई थी. Past tense. So day before yesterday. मैं परसों जाने वाली हूँ. I will go to day after tomorrow. So that time we will use day after tomorrow or day before yesterday, depends upon the verb. So this is all about anuswar and anunasik. Yes. So this
Ma'am,
is complete.
Sorry, ma'am. Hansika is having doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So this is about all our lesson number 9. I will send the classwork notes and PPT once I finish in all the section. Yes, classwork notes we will upload once I finish this lesson in all the section. And down doubt if you have whose name you have taken just now, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Hanishka.
and Deepta.
Hanishka,
Yes.
yeah, okay.